Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is June 29th. I believe it is Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, June 29th, 2022. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. We want to get all of our YouTube subscribers up to date. It's been a couple days since we last published a video. I want to start again, as usual, with the Qs. Okay, we're looking at a daily chart, topped back in November, along with the NASDAQ. You can see one down here in a circle, two up, three down. Our target was 280. It hit 280. We had a four up, target of 313, hit 317, held the make or break for four. Four high, could not go above the wave one low. And you can see here, we've got wave 5 developing, and we've got in black a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5 down, which would make a 1 and a 2, which came. Let's just get that a little bit closer for you guys. But before I move out of this daily, I want to show you our target here. This target was hit pretty darn close. This was direct hit. Here's our target for 5, 223. Okay, obviously this high would have to hold. But let me get down into an hourly to look at this a little closer for the Qs. Okay, here we go. Bear with me a minute here. Now you can see this a little bit better. Let's do this. And we've got the aftermarket. By the way, it's 8 a.m. Central Time, and you can see the after hours market. It is, let me put that on there here. Symbol last price. There we go. It's at 282 now. So from that wave 4 high, you can see a 1 down, a 2 up, a 3 down, a 4 up, and a 5. That makes 1 on a larger scale. You can see the 2 up has retraced between the 50% and the 618. And a break of this low here, which is 269, means the next wave down is coming. It could still go up to the 618 and even possibly to 786, but it cannot go above the high there. And let me fix that. That'll give us a more accurate target for wave 5. We've got 224 now. See it right over there. Okay, so that's the Qs. Let me get back into a daily chart, and we will scoot on out as soon as I reposition that. Yeah, that is now 224.13. I'm just going to change that for 224.13. Okay, that's it for the Qs. Moving right along, I always want to look at the US10-year. I think people are realizing what we've known, not just for the last couple years since this historic low, but really from the 1970s and 80s. Interest rates matter. Okay, we have what appears to be a 5-wave completed pattern up here at the high of 3 point. Let me move this down a little bit. There we go. At 3.497%. It could go up a little bit higher for 5 to gain equality at 1 at 3.576, and a larger target for this 5 is 4.343. Okay, but once this is complete, it could be here. We're watching it carefully. This is a weekly chart of the US 10-year interest rates. We're going to look for a retracement, and as it stands right now, the minimum retracement puts it all the way down to 1.425%, and that would be in the range of the 4th wave. From here you see the 3 in parentheses, 4 in parentheses, 4th wave of 1 lesser degree. There's that ABC, so that would be right in there. And the 50% retracement at 1.080 is also in play. But we got to watch this, and we're watching it carefully. I check it every day to see if this is going a little bit higher or even higher. Okay, once this is complete, then got to correct this entire 5-wave advance from the March 2020 low, which was the end of the 39-year bear market in interest rates. I wouldn't be surprised at all if we have a 39-year bull market in interest rates, which began 2 years ago. Okay, that's the interest rates. Let's look at the ES. This is a daily chart from the all-time high. You can see an A in parentheses 5 waves down, a B in parentheses 3 waves up, and a C in parentheses 5 waves down to make the larger wave A, And then we've got the larger wave B up. And again, we have 5 waves down for A. We're in B wave up. It could be complete here in between the 50 and the 618. We'll get another 5 waves down for the larger wave C in the parentheses, which will complete the larger wave C and the decline. The decline should be a 5, 3, 5, A with a circle, B with a circle, C with a circle. Our minimum target is 3201.50. Okay, and let's see if we can get a little bit closer look into that from the wave A low at 36.39. I believe that I have that here. Yeah, here it is. There's the A wave low, 36.39. We are now looking at an hourly chart. We have a 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up for A in parentheses. We should get an A down, B up, C down for B in parentheses, and then a C up. You can see all of our targets there. Okay, if this 38.12 holds, then we're looking for these targets here. I've got them in purple. This B up cannot go above there. Okay, so that's why 39.50 is the make or break. You can see the Fibonacci retracement targets there. If this is broken to the downside, then these targets come into play, which are over here, 38.31, 37.94 and a half, 37.57 and 3/4, 37.05 is a 786. It's up over here, okay? Make it easier to see over there. Any break below 36.39 and the larger wave C down is in play. I believe I have a picture of this here. Show you guys the bigger picture. There we go. There's the 5 waves up. Looking for 3 waves down to one of these targets here. And then another 5 waves up to complete the A up in parentheses, B down in parentheses, C up, which completes the larger wave B. Okay, everything is a fractal of the larger degree of trend. I think I have another one here. Let me see. I've got that. Is that and that one there? Okay, these are basically the same thing, but this breaks it down a little bit more. And this is the hourly bar here. A down, B up, C down to complete B, and then C up there. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Okay, we got 5 up, A, B, C, 3 down, and 5 up. That's what we're looking for in the near term. Let me see if I got everything covered here. Okay, I think that might do it. We'll leave you guys with this picture here, the hourly chart. This is what we're looking at. Down, up, down, and then a big up after that to complete the larger wave B up, and then C down to complete this one. 3201 is the minimum target. B up may be complete or may not. We're going to look for that to subdivide on a much shorter term, and of course we do that with our subscribers to our monthly newsletter who already received 2 reports today. Okay, let me see if I can show you guys that real quick too. Pre-market open, here we go, and this is what we're looking at. That's the same thing there. All right, and there's our targets, and there's where we are for that B wave down, which you see up here. Okay, this could shoot up first and then go down. Any move below 38.12 brings the larger B in parentheses targets into play. Okay, that's it for today. Have a great one, everybody, and until next time, take care, everyone.